In this video tutorial, we shall see the assembly program to exchange a block of data between internal RAM and external RAM. Now, the only difference is one of the memory you can change it to external RAM here, and because we are using external RAM, so the pointer used is DPTR, and you can give some higher addresses: 1000H, 1001H, 1002H, 1003H, 1004H, right? And after the exchange, you will see that the data in internal RAM will be the data which was in external RAM. The data in external RAM will be exchanged with the data in the internal RAM, right? So that's it. Let us code the same. So move R2 comma hash 5, that is the block size. Move dptr comma hash 1000H. Move R0 comma hash 30H. Right? Now I need to exchange, right? I have to bring one of the operand into accumulator. I will bring the contents of external RAM into the accumulator. So I will say move x a comma at the rate of dptr, and I will write xch a comma at the rate of r0. Right? Now once the exchange has happened, I have to put back to the external RAM. So I will say move x at the rate of dptr comma a. So this will exchange the contents. Remember, xch a comma at the rate of dptr is an invalid instruction. So that is the reason you have to bring the data from the external RAM to the accumulator, then exchange with the internal RAM, right? And put back the data to the external RAM. So this will exchange 1 byte. I need for all the other bytes, so update the pointers and repeat for n number of times, right? So that's it. So let's check for the syntax errors. No syntax errors. So one of the memory should be external RAM now. So x0 1000. I will initialize this memory as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this as 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right? So let us do step-by-step execution now. R2 is initialized with 5. dptr is pointing to external RAM location 1000. R0 is pointing to internal RAM location 30H. Right? Now whatever is in external RAM, that is copied to accumulator. So you can see 6 being copied to accumulator. Now this is exchanged with the internal RAM. So 6 has come in internal RAM and 1 has come in accumulator. This we need to put back to the external RAM. Right? So you can see the first byte being exchanged. Now this process we need to repeat for all other bytes. So as you can see, after the execution, the internal RAM has the data which external RAM was initialized, and the external RAM has the data for which the internal RAM has been initialized. Right? So the data has been exchanged successfully. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.